Hi, it's me, Ralph Prado, and in this video I want to show you how to make your own lead capture page using a free service, free web page creation service by a site called webs.com. That's webs.com. So what I want you to do is go to the website and sign up for an account, and once you're in your account, on the top left hand side you're going to see Webs, like you see here, and then I want you to click on that down arrow or just put your mouse over it, and it's going to pop up with these options down here. What you want to do is go down and click on Add a New Site. Then what you're going to do is you're going to name your site. Now, since this is going to be a lead capture page, I recommend that you only make one page. Otherwise, you're going to have to mess with hiding the additional pages. You can do that if you want, but make your home page the lead capture page. And you can always go back later and create additional websites, but you want to separate them instead of making pages. So anyway, I'm just going to name this one Demo Lead Capture. And as far as categories, we'll just say software. Alright, and to select the theme, when you scroll down to number 2, let's use this one right here, organic white. Alright, so you're going to click on that, select it, go down to number 3, and it says choose pages for your site. We're going to just leave home checked off, take away photos and screenshots, take away the rest of this, and take away contact us for now. We're just going to have home and additional pages. You're not going to worry about that, and I'm going to check off I agree to the terms of service and click on create my website. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is you want to name your website, and I recommend that you put in the keywords and be a little bit creative as to naming your web page, so that way the search engines pick up on the keywords. So let's just say your, again, the example is just demo, and I'll say hot leads, and then you click on create my website. Alright, you've now entered our super easy to use site builder. So click on, well, we don't need to go through the site tour. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this away, and this one's okay. So what we can do is I want to use the top part as the title area, and so let's just say that we're making going to make a big headline here. So you can name this something like, I'm going to say, does anyone else want to learn how to get hundreds of free hot fresh leads? Question mark. And then I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Let's use that font right there. No, let's use a different one. That looks good. Now let's go increase the size of this, and I'm going to change the color from that black to red. I'm going to check this off, and what we want to do here is I want to put an image on the left hand side here, and then I want to put a capture form or a lead capture form on the right hand side. So for here, we're going to click on image, and I'm going to double click on it, and I'm going to upload an image from my computer. I'm going to select let's say this one here, and again, this can be any image you want. You want to put an image here, by the way, instead of, let's say, a video, and that way whoever comes here has to enter the form, which is going to be on the right hand side, before they see the video. So if you have a YouTube video, what you do is take a screenshot of the video screen viewing area, and that'll be your preview as to what's going to be on the inside. Alright, so make this a little bit bigger. Okay, that's reached the maximum, it says. Alright, next I want to put the form on the right hand side. And to do that, what we're going to do is you can use one of these tools here. Go to Other, and then click on Custom HTML, and then put your mouse, keep your mouse over the icon, hold it down, and then drag it to the right hand side top. Let go, and then double click right here, or click on Settings. Then what you want to do is, this is the area that you're going to input your HTML or your code from your Aweber account, which is something you should have already done by now. You're going to log into your account, and you're going to go to your current campaign. So I've got some of mine here, and I've already made my demo campaign. I also made the form already, which you should have made yours as well. And then what you want to do is click on Publish, and let that come up, and then you're going to scroll down, and you're going to click on I will install my form to make this come up. And then you just want to grab this code right here, and instead of highlighting it first and then clicking, just right mouse click on your mouse, click on Copy, go back to the form. Got some other examples that I already tested this out with. So, all right, and what we're going to do is just paste it into there. Click on Save Changes, and that's going to be there. Now, the other thing that I kind of like here is to use the social options that are here. So I'm going to click on Popular. Oh, there it is, Social. And then I'm going to grab this little app, or whatever you call it. I'm going to put it right below the actual email form. As you can see, it's highlighting below this area here. So you want to keep it right there. Let go. And now you've got this little app here, so if somebody likes it, they'll click on the like button. Alright, next thing is, well, we need to tell people what to do. So let's go ahead and go back to Popular. I'm going to click on Paragraph, or highlight that, hold it down, drag it to the very top, actually right there. So we move that to the top right hand side, and then I just want to put a little title up there to tell people what to do. So it says, I'm going to say, enter your name and email to get this free video now. I'm going to change the font, increase it, I'm going to bold it, make it a little bigger, center it. I'm going to change the color to red, a little bit darker red. And then we're pretty much done at this point. The email form should already know, because you've already programmed it, to go to a thank you page or a landing page after people fill this out. So what you do now to see what this is going to look like is put your mouse over this magnifying glass and click on Preview Site. And now you've got a pretty basic lead capture page that you can share. And in order to share it, what you do is publish it. So what you do is go back to your program, click on Publish, and Web's is going to give you the web address to share. So say you've got, like for my web address, it's demohotleads.webs.com. So if you just click on that, it should open up into a new screen, and then you know exactly what this page is going to look like when other people see it. So that's an easy way to make a lead capture page. What I'll do later is show you some different, a couple of different programs that let you make lead capture pages using WordPress, and we'll get into that later. But for now, this is something that you can use that's for free. Keep your costs low, and plug in every visitor into Aweber to start automatically responding back to them. So hope this helps you out, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks for listening.